The aspect of not tracking down papers anymore and just having an app to notify me when an employee has requested off decreased my workload by 75%. Saint-Gobain and CertainTeed has over 6,300 employees. We're around 110 employees total for Norcross.
We do all things through roofing, ceilings, tiles.
Before Connecteam, it was more by mouth what the updates were. So one department would hear it, but the other department would hear it a couple of days later.
It would cause people to miss deadlines, sometimes activities we have on site.
Whenever we had meetings, we would just write it on a chalkboard. So sometimes only half of the people would know about the meeting.
Let's just say someone said, hey, can I take next Tuesday off? Perfect, sounds good. We'll write it down on paper, get everything done. That Tuesday comes, and of course, me doing a million different things. Wait, where is such and such?
So we set up group chats so we were able to communicate a lot better and send out instant messages.
We can talk between employees, supervisors, HR.
I can just reach out to them and they can respond back ASAP.
We're running late for a meeting or we have to change directions as far as canceling a meeting and moving it to a different spot. That's what I kind of use it for on a daily basis.
I think the employees really have just loved being able to request off time from their phone and not have to fill out a piece of paper and worry if it's going to get lost or worry if they're ever going to get approved. And now they get the notification on their phone, your time has been approved.
Before Connecteam, if I needed to put in a PTO request, I would have to do so through paperwork. I'd submit that to my supervisor, then he would submit that to HR. 3 or 5 days later, I would find out if that was approved or not. Now with Connecteam, I can get my PTO approved in a matter of minutes.
Their time off, their sick time, floating holiday, they can easily jump to the app and see exactly how much time they have off.
Policies that we weren't able to have all in one place.
Now with Connecteam, we simply go through our policies and handbooks at our own time, e-sign, and it's done in a matter of minutes.
Also being able to kind of track who hasn't or who is still in progress has been something that's been very helpful as well. Those are very big things that a lot of sites are going to love to have because safety is so big when it comes to a business like this. I think Connecteam as a whole is something that HR should use as like their secret weapon. It doesn't make it seem like it's work. It makes it seem like, you know, they're on Facebook or they're on Twitter.
I can just search for whatever I need on my cell phone.
Employee engagement is very necessary for us to communicate and to run the business.
So being able to know what's going on in the plant as a whole has made such a big difference.
This app is a clear-cut communicator for all of those things that are going around. It's a one-stop place for everything.